On this video, I'll be teaching you and detailing everything about this app. There are 5 ways you can earn on this app, and if you stick on this video from the beginning to the end, I'm going to show you all of them one after the other. Note, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Taka is not presented as a get rich quick scheme, and I'm not promising or guaranteeing any specific amount of income you'll be earning on this app. Your earning varies. So if it is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Taka, and I teach people how to make legit money online. Okay, now once you finish watching this video, the next thing you do is to look at the comment section, click the link there so that it will take you to this app. And when you click this link, they are going to give you 100,000 bonus. Okay, so what is the name of this app? The name is Taka. When you enter into Taka, I'm going to tell you around the environment of this Taka and different ways you can be earning on this Taka. My earning on this Taka is based on my experience. Okay, Taka is not a get rich quick. It is a platform where you do tasks to earn. All right, and in this video I am going to show you everything and even how you are going to withdraw your money. But first of all, let me take you around this app so that you understand what to do here. Okay, so now once you click on that link and it brings you to Taka, the first place you will go is this place. You will see me. Okay, once you click on that me, the next thing you do is to fill up your profile. Okay, you fill up your profile and you do your tax for that day and you will be earning. Okay, this is a new app. I just open it. All right, as you can see, I've not gotten any followers, and it's not about followers. The main earning that I have used and an experience is the chatting one. Okay, but anyone that you like, you can go ahead with it. Okay, I am just telling you my experience. Okay, remember that Taka is not a get rich quick app and it's not a Ponzi app. All right, now once you click on that me, I am now showing you the interface of this app, what to do on this app and how to go about it. So once you click on that me, it will bring you to this interface. The first thing you do here is to click on this task center. All right, when you click on this task center, okay, you allow it to load. All right, they will give you a bonus immediately you use that link. You use it and come here and spin. Okay, as you are spinning, you are making money. That is another way to do what? To make money on this app. All right, you spin and you are making money. They will keep bringing different kind of bonuses for you once you spin. All right, another way is this: you come around and do your task. Okay, you see this daily task, you must do it. Once you click on this go, it will bring you here. All right, once you bring you here, shut up any of these people, all these people that you are seeing here, shut any of them up. All right, the chatting should not be hi, hello. Okay, the chatting should be engaging. Like, you can definitely ask somebody, how are you, where are you from, I want to know you more, I am new to this app, how are you doing? Like, let the chatting be engaging. As both of you are chatting, you are making money on this app. So that is another way of making money on this app when you are chatting with other people. All right, then on that task, you'll be able to do everything that they told you to do on that task. When you scroll down, you will do other things. Okay, if they ask you to verify your profile, go ahead and do that. Everything they told you here, you must do it. Immediately you finish that verification and everything, look down here, you will see this join agency. Okay, different agency will be chatting you up. This one is no longer the one that when you enter a particular agency, they will lock the agency. No, here is even agency that will be looking for you. But how then do you know the better or the best agency to enter? I am going to show you how you will get a best agency that you are going to enter. The one you understand their language, the one you will understand what they will be doing, and you'll be making money with them when you are in their agency. Okay, so now that is when you get a particular agency that you like. Okay, all you need to do is to come here and click on this join agency. Then that agency will give you their code, this kind of code here. Okay, the agency will give you this kind of code. Then you now come here and put it. All right, make sure that you are following me step by step. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you will get a better agency, an agency that you understand, an agency that you flow with, an agency that will help you. Okay, now after that, I have shown you the agency, I have shown you the tax center. Then here you will see your chat growth. Okay, on this chat growth, I told you when you are chatting with people here, you will be making money. All right, it's a way of making money here. All right, and you'll be chatting with men, you'll be chatting with ladies, you are making money. If you look up here, you will see this is a chat growth. Okay, I just did this for me to do this thing so that you people will see that the chat increases the income. All right, on this particular website. Okay, now I go back to continue with other buttons. Then on this data, all right, on this data you are going to see the minute. One thing with this app is that the longer you stay here, the higher you earn. All right, the longer you stay, the higher you earn. I told you there are 5 ways you can earn on this app, and I'm going to show you all. This is all of them here. Okay, you can see the chat earning. Okay, the gift, the daily active bonus. You must be active on this app. Do you understand me? So now I'm going to show you other things that you needed. All right, then you click on the setting. There is nothing much to do on the setting. On this setting, all you need to do is to put the language that you understand. Anywhere you are in the world, you can participate on this app. You can do anything you want to do on this app, and you can also see your country people on this app, and you can join their agency. Okay, on this is basically all you need to do here. Okay, you don't have much to do here. Just make sure that you verify yourself. That is another way of securing your account on this website. Okay, and make sure that you join an agency. Stay like 30 minutes there so that you get your bonus, and I will recommend a particular good agency for you. Okay, and I will not ask you to pay and see. The second button is inbox. This is where Taka community will be sending you message. If you are not clear about anything, chat up their customer support and you will get help from them. All right, all these things are my chats with them. Okay, so they will provide all the support that you want anywhere that you are confused. Okay, so like I was saying, so many agencies will be chatting you up for you to join their community. Okay, but don't be in a haste, don't be in a hurry to join agency that you are not understanding their language. Okay, this is a tips I'm trying to give on this video. Don't be in a hurry to join any agency, because I'm going to show you how you will get a better agency that you understand their language and you understand what they do in this video. Just stick and watch this video so that you see how you will get a better agency. Okay, so then, like I said, all these places are your inbox, your chat and everything. And if you look up, you will be getting messages of people that are earning already on this website. Okay, if you click here, you will see all your unread message. If you click the next, you will see familiar faces and groups. All right, that is basically everything that you need to do on this inbox. Okay, then the next button, which is meet. All right, on this meet, you will meet different types of people from different countries. Okay, when you look up here, you will see different countries. All right, here all countries are here. Any country that you want, you can just click on it. Okay, if I want Philippines, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, United States of America, Indonesia, Nigeria, all of them are all here. Okay, you can go ahead and filter any of the region that you want out. Okay, you can chat up with the person. All right, you can also go on video match, and you can also go on a chat match. Okay, you can just chat them up, you can do video call with them, and you can, as you are doing the video call, you are earning. As you are doing the chatting, you are also earning. All right, and as far the call or the chat is long, you will keep earning, and you will keep earning more bonuses. Okay, so that is how this particular meet work. All right, so we are now going to the next button, which is the party. All right, this is where the main game is. Okay, when you click on this party, please listen very well here. Okay, when you click on this party, this is where you are going to get a better agency you will enter. Okay, any agency of your choice that you want to enter, they will even be the one that will be begging you to enter. All right, all you need to do is just to be careful, as I'm going to tell you how you will find a better agency to enter. And when you enter into that agency, always be consistent with them, because once you are consistent coming on live chatting with them, you will be earning bonuses. Okay, because they always release coins on their live every now and then. All right, now when you look up here, you will see new. On this new, when you click it, all these people that you are seeing here now, they all have agencies, and their agencies are new. Okay, so now if you look here, if you look at each of the side of their pictures, you will see the country flag. All right, you are seeing the country flag, right? You are seeing the country flag. You will be seeing the country flag at the side of their pictures. Okay, all you need to do is to open any of them. Okay, so now I am from Nigeria. I'm going to open on this person's profile, and you see that this person is online and her face is not showing. Okay, you too can also go online and your face will not be showing. And as she is on this line like this, she is making money. You see that she's not showing her face, and you see no face dictated. Okay, she is making money, and when you go on live like this, you will also be making money. All right, then that is that for this new. Then for the hot, all right, look at the next button, which is the hot. Remember, we are under the party in this category. All right, we are under the party, and I am showing you different other categories on this party. So now when you're on the hot, okay, you will also see your country code. Okay, this is Nigerian own. Okay, you will also be seeing your country code. This person is from Nigeria, this person is from Nigeria. All right, that is the way to understand and get people that you understand their language and what they do here. Okay, now if I click on this person who is from Nigeria, okay, you will see that they are on live. All right, everybody here, they are all seated. So if I want to sit now, look up, you will see me. See, they say join. Once I click on this join, I will join them. You see how everybody is sitting here. Most of them are making 10k, most of them are making 4k. All right, so once I click on that join, all right, I will join this live. All right, and once I join and sit with them maybe for hours like this, I will be making money, because any of the coins they are sharing here, I will also be getting it. Okay, look up, you will see me. All right, I will click on that join, and I will be earning with them. Okay, and when you come here, maybe there is no seat vacant, you can click this place. You can click down here and chat up the admin and tell the admin that you want to sit. Okay, once you just tell the admin that you want to sit, they will provide a seat for you. Even if the seat is filled up, they will definitely provide a seat for you to sit, and you will be earning with them. Okay, so that is it. And when you are done or you are tired on that agency, just go ahead, click back, and you will see keep, and you will see exit. Now I want to exit from this agency. I will click here and I will exit. Okay, that is one thing with hot. Remember, then the next button beside that hot is live. All right, and I'm going to show you how you will go live, and as you go live, you will be making money. All these people you see here now, they are all live. Remember, when you look, you will see their country flag. That will show you where they are from. Okay, so anywhere you are in the world, you can be making money on this particular app. All right, all you need to do is, once you finish this video, click on that link. It will bring you direct to this app, and you do your verification. Once you finish your verification, you are good to go. Okay, and make sure that while chatting, your chatting shouldn't be free, your chatting should be paid. Okay, I have showed you how you can do that. Okay, live. Okay, let me click on this person's profile. Now this person is live. All right, she is live as you are seeing her like this. Now she is live and she's streaming. All right, and as she's streaming, she is making money. Okay, then let's go back, let's exit from her profile. Okay, now if you want to go your own live, see what you will do. Look, once you click on that live, look down, you will see this go live. Okay, when you click on this go live, you will see that you are live. Okay, you click here, you click go live, and you will go live. If you want to just chat saying you don't want to show your face or anything, you click on the chat, okay, which is the one beside this live here. Look under, you will see it. Okay, so and when you go live, try and stay like 1 hour, like 2 hours before you leave this particular app. Okay, now watch, when you go live, you can play game. You can see game on in front of all these buttons, and these games are very simple and easy to play, and as you are doing them, you are making money. Okay, even when you are live and people are chatting you up, you are also making money. On this place, you can also chat these people up, or you can also go ahead with your own chat by clicking this place. All right, then you will be live, but it will be only be chatting. People will be chatting you. You can be live from morning till evening, or from day to night. As you are live and even if you're live, you're not doing anything, okay, just keep your phone live, just be live, let it be chatting. All right, you are making money. All right, sometimes when you come like this and you click on this chat, all right, some of them maybe around that kind 2 in the night, around that kind 1 in the night, you will see most of them will be sleeping and snoring. All right, they are live and they are making money, but they are not showing their face. Okay, that is essence of this button, that is chat. If you are getting a value on this video, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, because my teachings are easy, my teachings are always in a practical way, and I will keep uploading a better videos like this that will enable you to earn legitimately online. Okay, so let's go on. Then you see the next button. The next button is game. All right, in this game you will see people that are playing game, a lot of people. Remember, when anytime you are trying to enter any of the game, please make sure that you look very well to see the country where that person is from before you engage with them. The essence of going to your country people is for you to understand their language, is for you to understand what they are doing. If you come here now, you are from Nigeria and you join a Bangladesh agency or a Bangladesh chat group, what it means that you will not even understand anything they are doing. Okay, basically everything they are doing will be sounding somehow to you. Do you understand me? So open any of these things now, you will see that they will be playing game, and that coins that when you enter, you that bonus they gave you, you can use it and play your game. All right, these games are very, very simple. You see everybody, as you can see now. All right, all these seats are vacant. Okay, and if I want to join, like I said before, I will just click here and join. Okay, even if it is filled up, okay, just chat up the admin, they will provide a seat for you. Their seats are always available. All right, so now let me exit from this place. So all these people here, you see here, they will be playing game, and as they're playing that game, everybody is earning. All right, I'm going to show you how you'll be cashing out from this website. And any country that you are from, do not worry. Every country has a payment method here. If you're from Nigeria, they will pay you direct to your Nigerian account. All you need to do is to watch and see what I am going to do now. Okay, so now I will come back to this place, that is me. All right, on that me, you click on it, and when you click on this me, just look up. You will see cash out. Okay, once you see this cash out, click on it. All right, on this cash out, you're going to see how much that you have made. Okay, I log out my main account and use this particular new email so that you'll be able to see everything that I am doing, because if I use my old email, you will not be able to understand this place at all. All right, so once you click on that cash out, okay, you will see all your earning. All right, when you click on this wallet, you will see all your earnings here. When you click on these details, okay, they're going to show you different ways you have earned. You see all these people that are sending me message and I am responding to them, I am earning. Okay, and another thing I want to say is this: once you verify yourself, okay, once you verify yourself, a lot of people will be sending you message. Okay, once they're sending you that message, make sure that you are responding fast to them. As you are responding fast to them, remember I said not hello, hi. Let your response be engaging. Let your response be something that will make that person to talk more again. Okay, as you are doing that, the system will keep bringing more people to engage with you. But if you're not doing that, the system will limit the number of messages they will be sending to you. Okay, that's why it's very important that when you are chatting with them, make sure that your messages are engaging. Okay, that the messages will make them to talk again, not just hi, okay, but how are you? That makes the person to talk, I am fine. You can go ahead and say, okay, I am from this country, I know where you are from, and all that. Okay, just let your message be engaging and make the person to talk more. Okay, as both of you are chatting, you are making money. All right, so here you see on this cash out and you see this exchange. All right, when you click on this cash out, you are going to see a payment method. You see all countries are here. All country payment method are here. All you need to do is to look for your own country and click on it. Once you click on it, you come back and click on the exchange. Then you exchange your coins with your country currency, put your account number, and you are cashing out. Okay, so the withdrawal is very easy. The withdrawal is very, very simple. It's not something that you waste your time. Okay, so that is basically how this app works. So once you join this place, make sure that you find me. My name here is Miss Victoria. Make me your friend so that we grow together on this app. And if you know that I detailed everything, that I showed you everything that you needed to know on this particular website, and you want to know more, you want to see more of my videos and explaining everything for you in this simplest form, all you need to do is to do what? Subscribe to this channel. Ask me a question anywhere that you are confused. Join our WhatsApp group, because that is where we keep bringing more updates. That is where we keep bringing more updates on different and other platforms that you can earn online. Okay, and I will be dropping the link at the descriptions of this video. Okay.